Hi guys, in middle school you learned about algebraic equations where you are asked to solve for x. Now here, for example, x plus 5 equals 7. Now in middle school you guys learned that to solve for x you need to isolate x, and you have to make sure that this plus 5 should be cancelled by doing this. Okay, by subtracting both sides by 5, and then 7 minus 5 will give you 2. That's right, that's in middle school. Now, here in Lexington City High School, in Lexington Senior High School, if we have x plus 5 equals 7, we are going to talk about considering this equal sign to be the bridge. So what's going to happen is, if we want to have x alone, what's going to happen is we have to make sure that we need to get rid of that plus 5. Now to get rid of that 5, make sure you move that 5 over to the right. Okay, so because you want to have x alone, that plus 5, when you move that over to the right side of that equal sign, so that right now we have this bridge, we need that plus 5 to cross over the bridge. And every time you cross the number over the bridge, make sure you change the sign. For example, here we got positive 5. Positive 5, when you cross it over the bridge, that becomes minus 5. So using your mental math, 7 minus 5 will give you 2. That's why x is equal to 2. Now, how about if you have number 3? How about if you have, let's say, we have 6x minus 2 equals 5x plus 9. Here we go. How about if you have two x's if you have the variables on both sides? So right now, that's our equation. So we're going to go ahead and draw the bridge. But the problem here is we need to make sure that both x's are on the same side of the equation. So here we got 6x and 5x. So we have to make sure that both of them are on the left side of the bridge, of the equal sign. So here we go. Right now, we have 6x, and 6x is already on the left side. And for the 5, we have to make sure that 5x should be on the other side of the equation. So if we move 5x over the bridge, over that equal sign, 5x will become minus 5x. Now remember again, every time you move a term over the equal sign, we have to make sure that we change the sign. Right now we got positive 5x, we move it over to the left, it becomes negative 5x. And now we want the two numbers, we want the constants, we want the terms without variables to be on the right side of the equation. Okay, so right now we got 9, it's already on the right side of the equation, which is still going to be positive 9. And see that minus 2? When you move that over the bridge, over that equal sign, that minus 2 becomes positive 2. Okay, now using your mental math, 6 minus 5 will give you 1x. In algebra is going to be simply x equals mental math again, 9 plus 2 will give you 11. And the final answer is going to be x equals 11. That's the final answer. Let's try another one. Okay, how about if you have, let's say, 7 minus 2x plus 4 equals 9 minus 3x. Here we go. Once again, we're going to draw a bridge. Oops. Okay, this time we got 7 minus 2x plus 4 equals 9 minus 3x. So this time we're going to draw a bridge, over that equal sign because we want both x's on the left side of the equation. So here we go. Now, see that minus 2x? We're going to keep it minus 2x over there. Okay? We're just going to write it down. Make sure you copy that minus the negative sign of 2. And now, see that negative 3x? Move that over the bridge, and that minus becomes positive 3x. And 9. Okay? We want 7, 4, and 9 on the same side of the equation. So we're just going to write down 9, and that 7, if you move that over, that becomes minus 7, and that 4, move that over, becomes positive, or plus, becomes minus 4. Here we go. Using your mental math, negative 2 plus 3 is 1x, or simply x, equals 9 minus 7 is going to give you 2. Minus 4 will give you negative 2. And that is the final answer.